Staring at the menu at a Korean restaurant and too nervous to order this amazing dish out loud? Let's lock in how to say bibimbap flawlessly. It sounds incredibly fun once you get the rhythm down. Bibimbap.
This looks like a Korean-style kimchi bibimbap, self-heating rice.
Let's link it to three lightning-fast rhyming building blocks. Be, beam, bop. First syllable, a buzzing honeybee. Second syllable, high beam car headlights or a structural building beam. Third syllable, a catchy music genre like hip-hop or a quick dance bop. Snap them together fast. Be, beam, bop. Bibimbap. Say it with me. Be, beam, bop. Bibimbap. Bibimbap is a legendary Korean dish that literally translates to mixed rice. It features a warm bowl of white rice topped with seasoned vegetables, chili pepper paste, a fried egg, and sliced meat, which you are supposed to vigorously mix all together right before you eat it. If this video saved you from restaurant stage fright, drop a comment with your favorite Korean food, like the video, and hit that subscribe button for more delicious pronunciation guides.